A family in Kiwanja Ndege area in Bungoma County is seeking justice after the sudden death of their loved one at a hospital. The deceased, Scholastica Auma, died on Tuesday after giving birth to a baby boy through a cesarean section at Khalaba Hospital. The family is now accusing the hospital of negligence, and this coming, of course, after just a few days of another case in one of the hospitals here in Nairobi and just close by in Kiambu County. Let's have a look at that story.
Deep in thought, distress written all over their faces, clutching at a framed photo of their late sister, the second born in a family of 5, 32-year-old Scholastica Auma, who died while giving birth.
Niendelea kumpepeta, nikasikia sauti ni kama haiendi mzuri, nikaenda nikatafuta nurse, nikapata nurse amesimama kwa private room 5, nikamuuliza msichana anatoa sauti na sijui usukuje uangalie nini. Akaniambia ati kuna majirani walikuwa wamekaa hapo kwa kiti wanamgombanisha, hasa wacha hao majirani wamshughulikie.
When he realized his sister's health was deteriorating, he went out again and beckoned the nurse, informing her of the situation, and that's when she gave them an ear. The nurse went to call 3 more doctors, including the head doctor, when she realized the patient's condition was getting out of hand.
Ila aliingia akasijui walifanya nini, walimpima, ndio akaniita kwa room yake. Akaniambia dada yako amefanywa operation na amekuwa na damu kidogo, sasa ni kama amepass.
The news of his sister's passing hit him hard. The other family members later joined him in the quest for answers on his sister's death.
Tukawauliza hati kama hiyo mlikuwa na any blood standby blood, wakasema hawakuwa na standby blood. Tukawauliza si mko na ambulance, mbona amkupeleka sister yetu, mbona amkuprefer kwa hospitali nyingine ili hatibiwe, kwa sababu nyinyi amkuwa na any standby blood. Wakatuambia walipigia driver wa ambulance simu, but alikuwa amefunga simu.
The family said the hospital called security on them as they were insistive on finding out the cause of their sister's death. The body of the deceased has been transferred to Life Care Hospital mortuary in Bungoma, awaiting a post-mortem examination. Efforts to reach the hospital's management proved futile. The family wants justice as police continue with their investigations. Helen Aura, NTV.